guys, today we have an across the floor lyrical / contemporary combo for you, whatever you want it to be. This one, I would say, really challenge yourself to use probably a little bit slower of a song. That way you can really focus on holding every movement till the last second and really try not to rush through it. That's kind of the whole point of this one, is to be in the moment and just really hold every count. All right guys, so we have Morgan back with us today to demo for you. We are going to do this combo with counts first, slow, and then she'll show you the music. All right, so here it is, slow with counts. She steps 1, 2, other foot, 3, 4, arms go 5, down 6, 7, kick it on 1 and 2, 2, 3, 4, plie 5, hold it balance, 7, throw on 1, hold 2, run 3, 4, 5, 6, jump, jump slow, 1, 2, she preps, 3, 4, 5, 6, arms 7 and 8, start over, 1,